Right, this is the same day as the previous video when they were doing this field, but now they're heading off into this field, and I'll do some more fish of this tomorrow. Since they're starting, might as well get some video of it. I'll get fish. Tom just coming past. Yeah, there's combine. Off Nigel goes. There. And there's Tom. Over there. So this was the field that's went for triticale. Now they've got like some cover crop in it. Ooh, sorry. Off they go into that field. Yeah, it's gonna rain at like, there's 50% chance that it's gonna rain at 5 o'clock. You can see the clouds there. So yeah, not looking good. They probably won't be going for too much longer. But yeah, probably see them tomorrow. Anyway, see you when they continue this field. Hello again, it's the second day of the week from yesterday's video. They're up there earlier and last night, but they finished that field and now they're onto this field. Looks like they're rowing it. Guess they've got some someone who wants straw, so they're rowing it up. Have a quick look at the straw swell. Actually, yeah, this field's almost finished as well, actually, to be honest. There's only a few more runs left in that, because they've done loads of it already. There's the combine. Yeah, no bike today. It's been dropped off. Yeah, nice rows of straw here, like. Much moisture in that? No. Very nice straw, a bit wonky in this bit. More wheat, obviously. Wheat's where harvest properly starts, you know. There's like winter barley, rape, but wheat is where it really starts. Oh, you can see header there. Bit of a dip. Yeah. Someone else in the combine. But yeah, they've not got much left in this field, like. See. That's gone a bit there and that bit. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 runs I'd say left. Anyway, there's someone else in the combine, so obviously I won't be getting in, but get good footage. think that was Richard in the combine. Richard Ledger. That is. Jim. Quite silent that deer today. Some dip in this field though, like, look at that. Go and have a look at that. Auger coming out. There's some dip, to be fair. Look at that. So yeah, that's the field we were in yesterday. Sun? Yeah, this whole field here was the field we were in, and then last night they went up to that field up at the top of the screen there, and then finished that off today. And then in this field now, obviously they've got one run there and then one run here, and then that's this field finished. Reckon they're probably going to go to that field or the field across the road next, because they're two wheat fields. Got a fair bit of wheat to do around this block for this field, that field, that field, that field, the field across the road, field next to the barns, and then there's field near my house. Just up the road. Up there it is. Oh, there we go. It's the end of this run. If you're watching, hopefully you are at this point. If you're any of my viewers and have you ever heard of Brymere models, They make like model kits of like trailers and stuff. They've got Stuart GX1621S trailer kit model. I was thinking about getting that. So if I do get it, would you want me to do a video on that? Making it. If you do, comment. What should you comment? Comment if there's a trailer emoji. Comment that. If not, comment a combine emoji. I think there's a combine emoji. If not, just do a tractor emoji. But yeah, scrap that. Comment a tractor emoji if you want me to do a video on the Ryman model. Making that. It's the combine. He's probably going off to the barns or something, or another field now. This pile from the small bit's definitely thinner, for sure. Header going on. intricate job. Combine's nice and dusty now, not clean. $250. There we go. Jameson 724. It's a nice picture. Closing that gate. Goes, combine goes. Oh. Alright, I'll see where they're heading off to now. See ya. That sunset's going to be nice, isn't it? Yeah, definitely. There's the grain pusher there. Range. Don't know what the proper name for it is, but you see there. That. Push up the grain in the store. Tom's fast track. 40-20. Yeah, it's well nice. Oh no, Tom is out of his cab. Talking to Jim. Yeah. Grange. They got a track on that. I don't know why. It does look well battered, that though, isn't it? Very battered. It's a nice fast track though. 40-20 Icon, Stuart Pro Series 2026 H trailer. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Just talking to Tom there. Sort of camera. I was just talking to Tom there. He's they've going to Barham tomorrow, so they'll be combined by Barham and then carting. They have to cart all the way to Whitfield and then down the AT to here, so it's some trek. But James thinks they'll cope with just 3 trailers. I mean, good luck to them, right? Yeah. It's Tom back in his tractor. Oh, this field's very dusty though, like. Yeah. One of the reasons he's in that fast track is because one of the Ledger's tractors runs off white diesel, so which is really expensive, and if cause tractors get through a fair bit of diesel, you don't want to be going through with white and emptying all that. Right, yeah, head trailer. Oh, that sunset. Oh, it's like a volcano's erupted, like. That is mint. Oh, changing the lighting on this. There we go. Fast track. Combine's over there. Alright, see ya. Oh, it's 9:15. It's starting to get darker now, isn't it? He's getting his lights on now. There he goes. Yeah, here comes Jim. You won't be able to see him yet because there he is. Oh, I love those Stewart trailers, they're so nice. Nigel's finished unloading as well. The LEDs are on the combine. That's when you know it's getting dark. So the beacons, to be honest, they're on as well. Dust is going that way, so I'm good to be walking on this. Those LEDs are bright, man. He doesn't like nighttime combining. Something mushy. Ah, there's even lights on the header. I didn't actually know that. No, it does make sense, obviously. Oh my god, look at that. The header, man. There's lights everywhere on that thing. That is well mint. Can't even see the beacons, the LEDs are so bright. I can hardly see them. Can you even see them? Just about. And it probably doesn't look that great on camera, like with the LEDs and all. But in real life, it looks so good. Three LEDs on like the actual header, and then I think it has one on each of the outside bits of the header, and then it has the load on the actual combine, and obviously one on the auger. Oh, the fast track doesn't have any lights on yet. So this will be Tom's second load. I think it's almost full now. Well, the combine's almost empty. The bugs are starting to come out though. That looks so good though, with all those lights. Oh, the lorry's just going out now. That's the first headland done. Richard's still in the combine, so yeah, anyway. The lorry's finally loaded. Tom, you can just about see there. You can see Jim a bit more. Oh, it's full. Well, 70%. I don't think Tom's quite full yet, actually. Because he could just go and unload now, but yeah. Tom. The lorry's still there, so Guessing Nigel will unload at some point soon. Yeah, that's Jim. GK friend. He's got all his lights on now. Nice Scania. Now Tom can do his thing. They're about to unload now. I've finished recording here.